Have you ever experienced this? Someone asks you a simple question in English. You know the answer. You understand every word. But your brain suddenly freezes. You start thinking. You search for the perfect grammar. You translate every word in your head. And by the time you're ready to speak, the conversation has already moved on. If this happens to you, don't worry. This is one of the most common problems English learners face. But here is the truth most people don't tell you. The problem is not your English knowledge. The problem is overthinking. Your brain is trying to be too perfect before speaking. Today, I will show you simple brain training techniques to stop thinking too long and start speaking naturally and faster. Let's begin. 1. Stop searching for perfect sentences. The first reason people think too long before speaking English is simple. They try to create perfect sentences. Perfect grammar. Perfect vocabulary. Perfect pronunciation. But real conversations don't work like that. Even native speakers make mistakes. When people talk, they focus on communication, not perfection. For example, instead of thinking, I need the correct grammar for this sentence, just say something simple like, I think it's good. Maybe tomorrow. I don't understand. Short sentences make your brain relax. Remember this rule. Simple English equals fast English. When you remove the pressure of perfection, your brain starts responding much faster. 2. Use the 3-second rule. This technique can completely change your speaking speed. It's called the 3-second rule. Whenever someone asks you something in English, give yourself only 3 seconds to start speaking. Not 10 seconds. Not 20 seconds. Just 3 seconds. Even if the sentence is not perfect, start talking. For example, someone asks, what did you do yesterday? Don't think for too long. Just start. Yesterday, I watched a movie, and I studied English. Notice something important. When you start speaking, your brain automatically finds more words. Speaking actually helps thinking. Waiting silently makes your brain slower. So train yourself. Think less. Start speaking faster. 3. Train your mouth every day. Another reason people think too long before speaking is because their mouth is not trained. English is not only a brain skill. It is also a muscle skill. Your mouth, tongue, and lips need practice. If you rarely speak English, your brain must work harder to produce words. But if you speak every day, your mouth becomes faster and automatic. Try this daily exercise. Take any topic like your day, your favorite movie, your job or studies. Then speak about it for 2 minutes without stopping. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is flow, not perfection. When you do this every day, something powerful happens. Your brain stops analyzing every word. Instead, it starts producing language automatically. This is how fluent speakers think. 4. Stop translating in your head. Translation is one of the biggest reasons for slow speaking. Many learners do this. Native language translate English speak. This takes too much time. Instead, train yourself to think directly in English. Start with small thoughts. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say in your mind, I am tired. I need coffee. Today will be busy. When you're walking outside, the weather is nice. That car is very fast. These small thoughts train your brain to live in English. After some time, speaking becomes much faster because your brain is not translating anymore. 5. Accept mistakes immediately. Here is another secret fluent speakers know. They accept mistakes quickly. Many learners stop speaking because they think, "What if I say something wrong?" But stopping mid-sentence destroys your fluency. Instead, keep talking. If you make a mistake, just continue. For example, yesterday I went to the market. This is completely normal. Even native speakers correct themselves while speaking. Fluency grows when you continue talking despite mistakes. Confidence grows when you stop fearing errors. Remember this powerful idea. Mistakes are not the enemy of fluency. Silence is. 6. Practice fast response training. This exercise is very powerful for training your brain. It's called fast response training. Choose simple questions like, "What is your favorite food? Where do you live? What did you do today? Why are you learning English?" Now answer them immediately. No long thinking. Example. Question: What is your favorite food? Answer quickly. My favorite food is pizza because I like cheese. Do this with 10 questions every day. This trains your brain to respond instantly, which is exactly what happens in real conversations. After a few weeks, you will notice something amazing. Your answers will start coming automatically. 7. Speak before you feel ready. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start speaking English. They think, "I will speak when my English becomes better." But the truth is the opposite. Your English becomes better because you speak. Fluency is not created by studying only. It is created by using the language in real life. So speak whenever you get the chance. Speak with friends. Speak with yourself. Speak while walking. Speak while thinking. The more you use English, the faster your brain becomes. Speaking is not the result of fluency. Speaking is the training that creates fluency. Final message. If you think too long before speaking English, remember this. You don't need more vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. You need less thinking and more speaking. Train your brain with these habits. Use simple sentences. Follow the 3-second rule. Speak every day. Stop translating. Accept mistakes. Practice fast responses. If you do these things consistently, your brain will slowly change. One day you will notice something surprising. Someone will ask you a question in English. And the answer will come out instantly. No stress. No translation. No long thinking. Just natural speaking. And that is the moment when you realize your brain has finally learned to speak English.